Hey Tool School, it's David, and today we are going to contemplate the meaning of life. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to contemplate the mess that is that sprinkler system right there. I'll get into it in just a minute. So actually, this is the fix to the mess. So where I come from, you put your residential sprinkler valves out front right next to each other. I guess you can have them in the back, but the point is that they're next to each other. So the main water line comes in, the irrigation line gets tapped into that, goes through the anti-backup valve down, and then into the sprinkler valves, and then it comes out these three pipes and out to the sprinklers wherever they may be, and that's it. Well, this system, the system that I just replaced, it had the main line, the water coming straight through, sorry about the shadow, straight out that hole there, and then going out all the way around the property with those sprinkler valves buried in the ground in different places, in the backyard and the side yard and the other side. And so one of them stopped working. Well, I don't know if you have any experience with sprinkler valves, but they need power. So the power is, the box is inside the garage, and the wires come out here. And in the old system, they came here, and they went all the way around the bloody flippin' house to the first valve, and then the second valve, and then the third valve. So you've got umpteen billion miles of wire going around the entire property. So, hey, I'm just a talented amateur. Maybe I don't know what I don't know, but it seems to me that if you have the valves go on right there and the water flows out and then to the sprinklers, wherever they may be, that's about as simple as it gets. I do realize that they're exposed. So is that anti-siphon valve. There's a fake rock, and if it gets really cold, I'll put some hay or alfalfa on top, put a light bulb, whatever. So yes, I realize that is an advantage to those remote valves that are buried in the ground, but you can't find a wire break. If the wire breaks, which I imagine one did, way over in the backyard, there's nothing you can do. So except, dig everything up and look for the wire. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. The fact that seems like a simpler way. I invite comment. I'd love to know what you think. If you're a professional irrigation specialist or know more than I do, please let me know. Otherwise, I will check you out later. David from Tool School, signing off.